Hello everybody and welcome back to Cooking with Carter. In today's episode we're making a pizza today. So let's get started. Alright, so we're making a pizza. So we got our pizza crust, our spices, our Parmesan cheese, and then our sauce, Prego Italian sauce, traditional kind. And then you got the mozzarella shreds. So, first things first, we gotta get a pan. Well, before we get a pan, we have to set the oven. Alright, so we're gonna press the bake button, and then I know this might seem like a completely random time, but that's what my pizza crust says to set it to. It says to set it to 410. Yeah, I know that's an odd thing to do, but that's how I'm doing it. Alright, so now we gotta get our baking pan out. Gonna put that there. First, before we do anything, though, we gotta put some Pam on here. There we go, got our Pam on there. Now, oh gosh. Now I gotta get the pizza crust out of here. Alright. So now I just gotta put it on the pan, so I'm just gonna do a magic trick real quick. Alright, did you enjoy that magic trick? I hope you did. Okay, so next we gotta put on the sauce. So, I need to go do a few things real quick. Hold on. Alright, so now we can put the sauce on, but first I need to go get a spoon. Alright, so now oh my gosh. So now we're going to put the sauce on. First, I do it like this. Just a little bit more. There we go. And then I get the spoon and I just spread it out. Make sure to leave room for the crust, by the way. But I'm doing mine thin crust, so yeah. Gotta add a little bit more sauce. There we go. Okay, that's pretty well sauced. So now we need to put on the cheese. So give me a sec. Gotta open the cheese. Oh my gosh, I just got a mouthful of water or whatever I just got in my mouth. Okay, so now go ahead and sprinkle our cheese on here. Okay, we're done putting the cheese on there. Now we gotta put our spices and Parmesan cheese on there. Okay, now we put the Parmesan cheese on. Yes, I like my thing really cheesy, really Parmesan cheesy. Alright, so now we just gotta wait for the oven to heat up, cause It's only at 200. Still has like 105 more, 100 more degrees to go. Or 200 more degrees to go. My gosh. Okay, the oven's almost preheated, so I'm gonna put my pizza in for 8 to 10 minutes. Of course, that will vary depending on the dough you use. And we're preheated. Alright, so now we gotta put it in. Ooh, toasty. Toasty, toasty, toasty. Okay, so now I'm going to set the timer for 8. Oh my gosh, I forgot to press the timer button. My gosh. 8 minutes. And start cooking. I'll be back to y'all when it's ready. Okay, I've got to pull it out of the oven now. Alright, so now I'm going to cut this into 6 slices. So, when I come back, it'll be cut. Okay, so the pizza's all ready. So, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.